Hello guys, you are welcome to Vince Tech class. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through Google search analysis. Now, Google Trend provides an API that can be used to analyze daily searches on Google. And this API is known as PyTrend. You can easily install it in your system by using the pip command, that is pip install PyTrend. In our own case, we have already installed the PyTrend. And if you can observe on this inscription, this requirement already satisfied. That is, we have installed the PyTrend and we have the version of PyTrend to be 4.9.2. That is the version of our PyTrend, the Google API. Next, we import pandas as PD. From PyTrend.request, we import trend request. We also import matplotlib as PLT, which will be used for data visualization. And we also create an object of the trend request. Next, we build the payload of our keyword, that is Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Now, Bola Ahmed Tinubu is Nigerian president-elect. We want to perform a Google search analysis on Nigerian president. Next, we generate interest by region, and we sort the data, that is Bola Ahmed Tinubu, in descending order. Next, we get the top 10 rows of the sorted data, and we print the data. Let's see the output. And if you can observe from the output, Nigerian sort is by 100, followed by Niger, which is 47, Gambia, which is about 18, and so on. Next, we visualize the data. We set our X as geoname, set our Y as Bola Ahmed Tinubu. We set the fixed size to be 15 by 12, kind, bar, and the style to be 538. This is the visualized data. So it's always a good practice to visualize the data to get more patterns and insight from the data. Now let's see how the search has gone over the years by using this code here. You can also copy this code and experiment with other keywords. The search started before 2019, proceeded to 2021, 2022, and it was more during 2023. And I'm sure this was when he was made president of Nigeria. And this Google search increased by 100. That is from the on our plot here. So guys, that's all for today's tutorial on Google search analysis. If you have any question, leave them in the comment section below, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.